Hello guys, how you all doing? Hello everybody. Welcome and welcome and welcome and welcome everyone. Hope you all are good. I think we are live now. We are live. So let's get things started guys. What's up everyone? You all are welcome. You all are welcome. Yeah guys. Alright, so let's get things started guys. And we are going to start with our yesterday trade, which is Euro USD. And of course, if you guys were here live with us, you might have partake in this trade and all of that, right? So it's very, very important. Okay, Daniel is here. Don Vic is here. Is it Victor? Yeah. So Don Vic is here. And so good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I bless God, thank God for the gift of life and all. So yeah, guys, you know, you all know that we took this trade yesterday. Let me even check GU, what GBP is doing. Okay, you all see that GBP as well broke out of this structure. Now try to push down. So on this trade, guys, I took this trade live on YouTube as well. That was it on Monday or Tuesday? Either Monday or Tuesday. I think it should be Monday. I don't know, but this was the trade I took. Called it out live here on YouTube. From here, that's where we got in. Then boom, you can see what happened. It even broke out of my um, target zone. Then pushed down. Man, I'm having a call from my mom. Mama is calling, guys. You all see that? Let me end it and call her back, cause that's what I usually do. Man, she's still trying to call me. Okay. So that's that on GPUSD. So if you look down to the downside, I think even double my. Let me see first. This is it nearly triple this particular setup, guys. So this could have been a nice 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 trade, but be happy whenever time you have a take profit hit and all of that. So not just for you to be like, I could have put my take profit here, or I could have even placed my take profit here and all of that. By the time you move your take profit, the market will not reach that place. So it happens a lot. So be happy. I said it. She's still trying to call again, and I don't like picking her call until I call back. This early morning. This is 7:20. Hello, hello, Ndarahambra. What's up, man? So, I'll be right back, guys. Hmm? Okay, guys. I'm back here. Just needed to like, do wanted to please answer Mama ASAP. You need to pick the call, bro. Even though you prefer being called and all of that. Yeah. One thing with my mom is that even if you pick that call, she will still end it. She will still end the call. So that's the problem. So that's why I was like, okay, let me just take my time and answer it and all of that. So yeah, as I was saying, no need for you to like regret a trade, passing your final take profit and all of that. So it's still okay when you trade, hit your final take profit. Just be happy. Don't be like, I could have placed my stop loss. Take profit right here, or I could have placed my take profit right here. I could have made much money. I could have placed it here. Nah. Once trade reach your final target, just be happy. Still okay, and that's it. No need for you to be like, regretting why you didn't even place your final take profit below your original take profit and all of that. Just be happy, guys. So let me go down to Euro USD because this is the trade we took yesterday, and I ended up closing this trade, guys. So I made a whole lot of money actually. I made a whole lot of money, from the entry point. It even went into like 30 pips, so that was decent. So right now it's still 19 pips in profit. So let's see if we will still see another entry point to go for a buy. But remember, I made mention about these particular zones here, and you see that the market is reacting to this zone right now. So we will see what happens here, guys, during London session. So the market is kind of ranging at the moment. It's kind of ranging. If you know how ranging market works, you should be able to see that the market is ranging at the moment. So let me show you guys what is happening. So the market pushed down here, decided to push back up. This is a ranging structure. So we might see another push to this point, or it can stop at this point, or to the entry point and all of that. So then we might see another push again here until when we have a break of structure from here to the upside or to the downside. But at the moment, the market is just ranging. So that's that one when it comes to Euro USD, guys. Of course, I'll keep on monitoring this trade to see if you are going to be seeing another entry point and all of that. And those of you that might not be seeing this clearly and all of that, if you are on your mobile device or on your PC, I usually tell you guys that when you check this structure, yeah, because I'm following the live right now. When you check that, I think is settings. Click on settings. Once you click on these settings, yeah, check quality. You will see quality. You see that quality, right? Then click on the quality. Then when you click on that quality, click on this high picture quality. Once you click on that high picture quality, definitely the quality of the video and all of that is going to be more clearer that way, so that you'll be able to see whatever I'm doing on the chart and all of that. It's very, very important. So it's very. JK is saying, let's get it. Yes, sir. So right now, guys, we might see this particular pair being Euro USD coming down to the downside to this point. So right now, so for us to take a trade, let me see something. I'm not interested in buying this today. So maybe for 40 something pips. So let me get rid of this buy because the market. And today, guys, there's NFP. There's NFP. You all should remember that, right? There's NFP. Daniel Kelechi said, no visual, sir. Um, so you all should you all should take note of this NFP. because whenever I'm trading, yeah, I usually look out for I usually look out for fundamentals as well, check it and all of that. So let me clear this. This is not, we don't have an entry point anymore, right? So I'm taking away this as well, based on the fact that we are not in a trade at the moment. But I see that we're actually in a ranging market. So there's still high possibility of this trade going up. But man, you have to play safe first. So let's wait for London session open, which is going to open in the next 28 minutes. We will see what Euro USD will have for us. Yeah, the video quality here is pretty okay, guys. It's pretty okay. I can see that. All right. Let me still shift this. Okay. I think um GBP, I mean Euro USD is trying to like push down. Let's see. Let me go down to the 5 minute time frame so I can just, man, we might get in for a sell. We might get in for a sell on Euro USD, but let me see. Let me see something. Okay, nah. To reach that structure. This is 5 minutes though. I'm trying to like look out for some stuffs on the 5 minute time frame. All right. It has given us this. Mama, why? My mom is still calling, guys. So hold on, guys. Let me pick this call. You see, I said my mom will still end it. I picked now. She ended the call. Let me call her back. Okay. Just trying to call back again. So it's good. It's good, guys. At least you still have remaining parents. That's very good because I only have her. Hello. Goedendag, ja, van het begin. Goedendag, ja, van het begin houden nu. Oh. Toch, nog van het begin. Oké. Oké, oké. Mhm. Eso. Mhm. You see, she was like, maybe it's a mistake or something. Man, I know her though. She might even still call. That's how she does, yeah. So I only have her, remaining. My dad is late, so it is what it is. That's life for us, guys. That's life for us. All right. So yeah, as I was saying, let me go down to the 5 minutes. So let's see what Euro USD will have for us because right now, man, I'm not interested in. In fact, I'm even more interested in selling this particular pair now until when I see a break of structure. When I see a break of structure, then I can decide to say, okay, the market is ready to push to the upside or to the downside. But at the moment, I'm even more interested in selling than buying, based on the fact that we saw this breakout of this trend line, and you can see that the market is ranging with this zone right now. Within this zone, I have this where I can mark out where is it, where is it, where is it, where is it, where is it? It's not here anymore. Where I can actually mark out the range and oh, okay, see it here, this price range. So the market is just ranging within this zone. This is where the market is ranging, guys. It's just ranging here, so we have to actually know what is happening like this in the market and all of that. So you can see it has not created this range of which until when we see a break of structure out of this range before we can now say, okay, the market is ready to push to the upside or to the downside. So right from this here, from this price now around price 1.18079, the market might decide to come back down again to this around price 1.17538 before we might see another push again to the upside or to the downside when we see a breakout, right? So right now, I'm more of like interested in selling than buying again until when I have another, clear structure that okay, that is going to tell me okay, the market is ready to push to the upside or to the downside, right? Before I get in and all of that. So it's very important to take note of all these things. Very, very important. It is very, very important, guys. All right, so let me visit GBP USD. We'll have to visit GBP USD and see what is happening on GU. So GU as well is trying to like push down. So it is what it is. So yeah, GU is here. So okay, let me go down to 4 hour and see. Because if you all know me, I like to check what is happening on all of this for me to like, you know what's going on and all of that. Oh, GU might continue to buy. So man, this NFP is going to be hectic today. Let me see my FX book. Let's see economic calendar. Okay, we are going to be having news today. I don't want to sign in later. PMI, we'll be having PMI in the next 34 minutes, and the next 1 hour 9 minutes we'll be having another PMI. Today is a lot of news, guys. A lot of news. S&P 500, S&P Global Service PMI. Okay, we're having that one is going to be on GBP. Then card news as well, non-farm payroll. So we have NFP. So that's going to be 130. So that's going to be around 8:30 Eastern time, thereabout. Yeah, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So yeah, NFP today we have to trade very, very carefully. Forex factory. Let's see what is happening on Forex Factory as well. Okay, CPR. Okay, here the major news is just NFP and ISM service PMI. So that's going to be a speech thereabout. Okay, so the major news here is NFP, which is going to be in the afternoon. And I'm seeing GU will react to that. GU will still go up. So let me check the XY first and see. Let's check the XY. So it's also important for us to like be checking all these things to know exactly what is happening or what is going to be happening and all of that. Very, very important, guys. So yeah, if you have questions, don't forget to be asking so that I can just answer you. Or if you have any particular pair that you want me to like analyze for you and all of that, you should just be letting me know. And again, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. So if you are not yet subscribed, um, we go down to 1 hour time frame first and see what is happening here. All right. Okay, this is S&P 500. So man, I might I might decide to like let me just observe, guys, because literally even this DXY is trying to like give me head and shoulders pattern to see it's still going to go down to the downside. So if you all see there's head and shoulders pattern formed here, trying to see it's going to go down. So if DXY is going down, definitely you know what is going to happen to like your USD, GBP USD. They are going to continue to push to the downside. Let me even show you all this. See what is happening. Do you see this? So this is what is happening, guys. Starting with left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So from here, we will see DXY pushing to the downside. And if DXY is pushing to the downside, you all know what's going to happen with other currency pairs, that is highly, or let's say there is USD pairs. So you guys can see this. You must see a price push to the downside from here. But remember, I see it is NFP day. So NFP, the market used to be crazy. So we all have to put that into consideration and wait and see what is going to happen and all of that. So it's very, very important for us to do that. Because you can't just be trading and you can't just be trading and trading without you knowing what exactly you are going to do and all of that. Okay, it's okay. That was your connection. Good morning, boss. Trader Ernest. Good morning. Hope you good. Hope you good. Then Victor is saying or Don Vic. I don't know if it's Victor or Don Vic. I will be calling it Don Vic. My question is, why do you choose to trade GBP USD and Euro USD when other gurus are trading only gold as their main instrument? Gold is actually very easy to trade, yeah. If you know, not that I cannot trade gold. Let me even go down to the gold, right? Let me go down to gold and see. No, not forex.com, FXCM. Let it load first, so I can just go back down to FXCM. FXCM, okay. I like FXCM chart much more than any other chart right there. So you all saw the analysis I did on gold right here. I was like, the market will come down here before it will buy, but it bought right. Okay, respected this level here. So from here, this was where the market is when I said it needs to come down to this point for us to create head and shoulders pattern, which is inverted head and shoulders, before it's going to continue to push back up to the upside. But instead, the market from here bought to the upside, right? So one of the reasons why I don't trade gold anymore is because some of you guys, if you are in a drawdown, definitely, you might be complaining that, come on, Israel, I'm losing so amount of money, this and that. And you all know that gold is very, very volatile compared to currency pairs, right? So when you are trading indexes or indices, definitely they are much more volatile compared to currency pairs. So you can actually make money very easy trading gold, US 30, NAS 100, or any other, you know, pairs and all of that. So if you're going to be losing money, guys, believe me, you are going to lose a whole lot of money when it comes to that. And um, of which I don't find it funny if my community are losing a whole lot of money because of one single trade and all of that. So you can actually um, make money trading it. Not that I cannot make money from it or whatever. I can trade it personally, yeah. I can trade gold because I've been trading it before, right? But because of the volatility aspect of it, that's why I don't like trading it. So, you need to just be calm and trade whatever you can trade. And it's not a must for you to trade gold. But if you want like to blow your account quickly or to make money quickly, it's your choice, right? It's your choice. So I don't have anything bad against gold. In fact, if I should trade gold, I can trade it on my account and without even sending signal. I can do that, right? But I would like to send signals and all of that. So that's that one about gold. I don't have anything bad against it. If you are trading gold, quite alright. Kudos to you. You can keep on trading it. It's okay. So the only thing is, can you actually handle the volatility aspect of it? Can you handle it? Can your account handle it? That's another question that you need to ask yourself. It's not all about trading gold, guys. How much have you made from gold? Let's say you've been trading gold um for 1 year. How much have you made from gold? What are the things you achieved trading gold? So if you did not actually achieve anything from trading gold, so why are you trading it? There's no need of you trading it, right? But if you're actually doing amazing with gold and all of that, you know, go ahead, continue trading it. We are not against trading gold, guys. We are not against trading gold, right? And of course, if you are trading currency pairs like I do, GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, and all of any other currency pair. Once you know how to do technical analysis, you can trade any currency, any indexes, any indices. You can trade it. So the most important thing for you to know is, can you actually do the analysis very well? Analysis is analysis. That is technical analysis, right? Even fundamental analysis is still fundamental analysis. It doesn't change actually. So you just have to know what to do at the right time. That is just it. So like me, I know what GBP have done to me. GBP bought my first Benz. GBP built my house. GBP did a lot of things to me. So you know that is just what is happening. And I'm not saying it must do something for you before you will start trading it or before you stop trading it. So you just have to wait. How much have you made and how much have you lost trading this particular currency pair or this particular indexes or this particular indices? So just wait. How much? I put a whole lot of things into consideration. No, I'm not saying I don't lose money though. In fact, I told you guys that I lost about $500,000 prop firm last week and last upper week, right? You know how much is that? That cost us about $15,000 to buy those 5 prop firms. So I'm not just coming here and be like, let's trade. Nah, come on, man. So somebody is saying thought NFP happens on Friday. Yeah, it happens on Friday, but US is going to be having this US independence. That's why they shifted it to today, which is Thursday. So, you know, that's just what happens. So yeah, that's it to answer your question. And time to go back down to Euro USD. Or should we trade gold right now? If I should trade gold, I'm going to be selling it right at the moment. I'm going to be selling it if I should trade gold based on it's at my key level, right? I'm going to be selling it. So right now, 8 minutes to get into London session. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. 8 minutes more. 8 minutes more. All right. So yeah, for those of you that are just joining us, that you are not in our Telegram channel, you're not following us on IG, you're not following us on Facebook, all the links are down in the description below. All the links are down in the description below. You can just decide to follow us there and all of that. So yeah, this is the Euro USD. Euro USD. Man, so like I said, the market is just it wants to move, it doesn't want to move, it wants to move. So I don't have no problem with it. I've told you guys that I'm out of the trade since yesterday, right? I'm out of the trade since yesterday. Let me even show you guys what happened. You also where I got in. Can you guys see it? You see this place here? This is my entry point right there. That's my entry point. I got out somewhere, somewhere here. Yep, that's where I got out. So I was like, nah. This is the second account though. So third account was in drawdown. That's why I told you guys that if you are trading prop firm, you don't just focus on one account. If I'm trading prop firm, I buy multiple accounts. I buy multiple accounts. I don't buy one single account, guys. So of course, if you don't have money to be buying a whole lot of accounts, mm, it's still okay. It's still okay to start. It's still okay to start small. Yeah. Okay. Somebody is saying let's trade gold. Man, can you handle gold? Can you handle gold? Yeah. Let's analyze gold. Like I said earlier, that I'm going to be even if I'm going to trade gold, I'm going to be expecting gold to sell, not buy at the moment. And remember, I keep repeating this NFP. NFP is today. So trade carefully. Trade carefully. Oh. So why did I see what is happening? I still have this active. God is giving us double top formation. This 1 hour time frame, guys. Excuse me. I still want to sleep. Before you consider gold as a buy, to a break out of this previous structure. So this is my potential support and resistance levels here. So if it breaks out of this, that is going to be the next target. But right now, gold is giving us this vibe of trying to push to the downside. So giving us this double top formation here. Let me see something on the 5 minutes time frame. What is that? That's 5D. Five. I'm not going for 5 days. Just 5 minutes. That's what I'm here for. All right. So gold is trying to push to the upside. So until when it breaks around price, 3,365.46. So once it breaks out of that, definitely gold might decide to push to the upside again. But for now, like I said, let's wait for um, London session market to open. Okay, you all can see what is happening on gold. It's trying to continue to buy. So, but for me right now, mm, if I should trade gold until when it break out of this structure, when it break out of this, then it will continue to push to the upside. That's gold for us. Okay, that is gold. That is gold. That is gold. That is gold. Seems you all want us to like to be trading gold here and all of that. Man, I can go crazy on gold if it's me. I can be crazy on it. But man, the question is, can you handle it? That's one question that you need to ask yourself. Can you handle gold? So I usually do some stuffs here. Check one or two. Man, I still want to sleep, man. I don't know what's happening. I'm yawning. All right, all right. If you are trading gold, scalping gold is the best. Don't try to say you are holding gold long time or whatever. Except if you are trading on your personal account and decide to like get in with smaller lot sizes and all of that. If not, man, scalp gold. Not don't swing gold. If you are swinging gold, man, your name is sorry. Because gold can be unpredictable sometimes, especially when there is crisis. All this war, you know, affect gold very well. And whenever there is crisis, gold usually buy. Gold usually buy. So nothing much happening on gold, guys. Nothing much happening on gold. Nothing much happening. All right, all right, all right. So today is just a waiting day. Wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Oh, so you all see we are now in London session. I'm getting some notifications. Let me read what is going on. Okay, okay. So seems to be Euro USD want to continue to push up, right? Want to continue to push up. So I'm expecting dollar to be weak today during NFP. I'm expecting dollar to be weak. So definitely during NFP, Euro USD will be buying, GBP USD will be buying, but nevertheless, you know, in the meantime, one can decide to scalp Euro USD for a sell and all of that. So, you know, let's see what is going to happen. All right, Euro USD. This how many pips? This is 13 pips. 29. Nah, that's much, man. It's not worth trying. It's not worth trying right there. So, guys, this is what we're having on EU during this London session open. Remember, we have news in the next 15 minutes, right? We have news in the next 15 minutes. Okay, the market reached this point. No, it didn't even reach. Still needed few pips more. Still need about 10 pips. But if you check Euro USD so far, yeah, it's been buying. You will see this. It's been buying, so I don't want to go against the trend. So let's see what happens. Let's see what the market brings present to us. Don't go against the trend, except if you want to scalp it. Like I said, you might end up scalping the sale, but man, look into NFP. Look into NFP. The market might be slow from now to when it's NFP time, right? So when it's NFP time, the market can decide to like fly to the upside. So that's why it's very important to just look out for what is going on, what is happening, and all of that. So no need for you to like force trade. No need for you to force trade, guys. Okay, okay. You all are asking if there's any good prop firm to trade with. Let me send some prop firm. The ones that are few you guys can actually maybe afford or um do this thing. I'm going to send it now. So I'll just recommend like three of them to you guys. All right. Let me go to. Okay. Where can I see the live chat? I'm trying to send you guys some prop firm so that you all can mm, mm, mm. So these ones you all can, okay, you all can purchase them. So I'll pin that, I just pinned it, just select one and go ahead and use it. Just select one. All right, where are we? So Euro USD is trying to push down, right? Man, I'm not interested in selling. I'm still going to wait, guys. Like I said, we could have scalped this, but man, the market will still come to the downside first. Let me go down to 5 minutes and see. There's no harm in waiting. There's no harm in waiting. So yeah, Euro USD might decide to push down. That's 7 pips. Might decide to push down for like 40 pips. So let's see what is going to happen. Because literally, Euro USD is just ranging at the moment. It's just ranging and ranging. And we are just 7 minutes into London session. Just 7 minutes. Just 7 minutes into London session. You know, it is what it is. And don't frustrate. Don't frustrate when it's not coming. Don't force it. Just chill, relax, and wait for the market to give you the best opportunity, you know. So that is just it, guys. You have to actually stay calm. You have to stay calm. Just stay calm. Because when you see or when you make decision to like frustrate and all of that, man, that's not going to be good for you. That's not going to be good for you. That's not going to be good for you. So it's very, very okay if you allow your trade to like come on its own and all of that. It's very, very important. But when you frustrate, man, you might end up losing that particular trade. And when you revenge trade, man, that's the worst thing that can ever happen. When you revenge trade. So that is just it. Oh, many thanks. You're welcome. Muffin morning, brother. Let's get it ITT. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Just trying to like see how I can be active here and come back again and do live stream and all of that. It's so important. So you all can see what is happening now. That's why I said just chill. Look, just watch and see. Let's watch and see what is going to happen here. Okay? You all can see it's trying to reject the downside, right? So I'm not in this trade at the moment. So just waiting. Just waiting and see. Of course, if you want to go against the trend, that's still okay. But not recommended. It's still okay, but not recommended. Yeah. So let's keep on waiting and waiting and waiting, guys. Okay. Let me check GJ. Oh, GJ is trying to push up again. Oh, I missed this trade on GJ. I would have entered buy from here because nearly came down and touched my trend line. Oh, okay. Anyways, that's okay. So your Nasdaq, Nas 100. When I hear about Nas 100, yeah, I'll be like, come on, do you really want to do this? Oh, Nasdaq is this major? Let me check if it's actually a major resistance. And I'm seeing exhaustion candles. So Nasdaq might decide to fly to the downside, guys. Man, no, there's no E. What is this? Shit. No way. Broke out of this structure and now it's still heading up. Nasdaq. This is how Nasdaq is to move actually. It's very volatile. When it starts trending, keeps trending for months, man. Oh, I still have some of my levels here. So this was, when was this? This was 2022, guys. I placed this 2022. You all see when last I traded Nasdaq, right? This was 2022. You can see it down here. You can see the date here. 26th of May, 2022. So that's 3 years. When last I traded NAS 100. So let me just place this. Let's see. This is daily time frame, by the way. I'm just like trying to check out Nasdaq. Not sure if I'm going to trade this. Nah, I'm not trading it. This is the daily time frame for our. Let me go down to 4 hour now. So Euro USD is still playing. So this is 4 hour major resistance. This is not major because I didn't see it on the higher time frame, right? So this is just the recent major resistance. Let's call it recent major resistance. Man, anything that will make Nasdaq to break out of this is going to push to the upside. It's going to continue to go up. There's no doubt about that, right? There's no doubt about that. So then what next? Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Here again, I'm seeing that the market is trying to range, right? So where's my price range? I will take my price range to just give me an idea of, okay, if the market break out of this structure, I might decide to continue to move in it or to go. This is the price range right now, right? So let's go down to 1 hour time frame and see. Let's see what is happening on the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, this is the price range, and the market is still doing what it knows to do the best. I just needed to shift that. So right from this point now, we might see Nasdaq going down because I can literally observe exhaustion candles. Where's my ellipse? These are exhaustion candles, guys. All these candles here, they are what we refer as exhaustion candles. You all see this. So these exhaustion candles means the trend is no more volatile. So we might see trend reversal anytime from any moment from now. We might see trend reversal, and you can see that it's heading towards the previous recent highs, right? So we might see this market pushing to the downside. And remember what happened here. So it's similar thing that is going to happen. Just try to push down, then come back up to take out this previous resistance, previous high, then before it's going to continue to push to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on Nasdaq right now. So no need for us to like rush it again and all. Just take your time, chill, and wait for the market to give you what you are expecting and all of that. If you can actually get um, what you are looking from the market, then definitely you just chill and trade it. Okay, Daniel is asking, do you still trade V75? Yeah, for sure. I still trade V75, but I'm not trading it, publicly and all of that. I just trade on my own, but not much compared to before. I just trade it, little by little and all of that. Seems you all want me to just like come back and be trading all these kind of things. Of course, I can still trade them. No, that I cannot trade them. I can still trade them, right? So maybe with time, I will come back and you know continue to trade all these things again and all. So just trying to check all this stuff. So that's what I'm seeing on Nasdaq. What about gold? Let's see what is happening on gold. So you all can see gold is trying to sell right now. It's just going to be for retracement actually. I think we did analysis on this. We did analysis earlier. Let me check. I think that was on FXCM. Yeah, it was on FXCM. You all see right at this point that I said to go down or until when it break out before it will take out these previous highs as well. So instead, the market is trying to push down now, and we will see what is happening on the smaller time frame. So you have to put a lot of things into consideration, guys. You can see gold is trying to push down again. It's trying to push down to this point. So we might see gold going down to around 3,336.03. So that's what might happen on gold, pushing down. Back to GU. Let's see. Okay. Euro USD is just want to go down, doesn't want to go down, want to go down, doesn't want to go down. He's just trying to misbehave. So GBP USD flying up. Things are getting interesting before this. What is it called it now? Before NFP. I'll mark out my levels. Okay. Things are getting ready. Let me mark this out, guys. Let me just mark it out this way. All right. So we might see reaction from here. Or let me take my fib retracement. Oh yeah, exactly. It is at my 61%, right? It is at my 61%. You will see it. Um, you will see the 61% right here. And the market is approaching it. It has surpassed my 50%. So right here at this 61%, we'll look out for candlestick patterns formation to continue to sell GBP So GBP might actually sell or buy. But in this case, now if you should follow market structure, it's going to sell. But don't just say it's going to sell, guys. Remember what DXY is going to be doing. DXY is going to be selling, so you should be expecting buys on this. So there will be market manipulations today, definitely. There will be market manipulations because technical analysis right now here on GBP is going to be giving you sell. Technical analysis on um, DXY is going to be giving you sell. Then definitely today is going to be a manipulation day. Mark that. You will see. So I might not even end up trading and all. Okay. Okay. Interesting. So you just NFB. There might be a whole lot of manipulations going on and all of that. A lot, a lot is going to happen. A lot is going to happen today, guys. So, and you all see what is happening on Euro USD as well. Just moving in a range. It's just moving in a range. Don't force it. Don't do nothing. Just chill and wait for the market to, you know, to give you what it can give you and all of that. It's very important. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing so far, guys. That's what I'm seeing so far. So there's no trade to take this morning. Maybe I'll wait before NFP so that we can actually trade live. We can trade live by then and all. Do you still trade prop firm? Yeah, do you still trade V75? I think I answered that. I still trade it with or without prop firm, sir. Yeah. There's no prop firm that will offer you this thing, that will offer you volatility 75. The only broker that offers V75 is Deriv. So you can't get it. Even what is it called this prop firm the other time? The other one that Jeffrey Branson and Harvey advertised, Consummate, yeah. Consummate, I all knew it. That was not V75. They just integrated their IP, whatever, make it sound as if um, it's actually, what is you call it? Um, V75. Meanwhile, it's not actually V75, right? So we are seeing some sort of a lot of things happening today, guys. So manipulation is going to be a lot. We'll be having a lot of manipulations today. A lot of manipulations. So what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to stay chill and don't freak out, man. Don't freak out. And if necessary, it's not must for you to trade to trade what is it call it? Man, to trade NFP is not must. So you just chill and trade and just see what is going to happen and all. All right. Let's keep on seeing. Let's keep on watching. Let's watch out and see. So there's no trade today. There's no trade today. There's no trade today. I mean this morning, not today. We might actually get an entry point during um, New York session before NFP, right? So, we'll be 1 hour, we'll be 30 minutes into New York session before NFP happens. So definitely we might actually see some entry points before that time. And of course, I'll update each and every one of us in Telegram, and of course, I'll update my VIP members or the premium members. Yeah, I'll end up updating them first before any other thing. So, like I said earlier, if you're not yet in our channel, make sure you join. Make sure you follow me on IG, and make sure you follow us on Facebook as well. Then, of which your favorite YouTube, because you are here live on YouTube, right? So that's basically it, guys. There's no trade to take today. No trade to take. The market is just so slow, very very slow. So I might come early before New York session, so we can just have interactive session and all of that. Yeah, that's it. And there's no trade to take. There's no trade to take basically. So before I go, do you guys have question? Just ask your question before I, you know, call it a day. Ask your question before I call it a day, guys. All right. I think we don't have any question. So with that being said, guys, I will be back here again during New York session. So we're going to be back, to trade NFP with you all. And with that being said, thank you very much for those of you that just joined us, and I'll see you guys very soon. So thanks, man.